Powered industrial trucks, commonly known as forklifts, are essential in warehouses, construction sites, and loading docks. However, improper use can lead to serious injuries, property damage, and OSHA violations. At OSHA Education School, our Powered Industrial Truck Safety Training course teaches you the proper handling, inspection, and safe operation of forklifts, ensuring a safer workplace while staying compliant with OSHA regulations. This course starts with the basics of understanding different types of forklifts, pre-operation safety checks, and key safety precautions for handling loads, refueling, and preventing incidents. Before using any powered industrial truck, it's critical to perform a pre-operation inspection. Learn how to identify potential mechanical failures, ensure fluid levels are safe, and confirm brakes and lights are functioning properly. One wrong move can cause a forklift to tip over or lose control. Our course teaches best practices for safe maneuvering, braking, and load stability to prevent accidents. Forklift accidents don't just affect operators, they endanger pedestrians and other workers. This course helps you spot potential hazards, use warning signals, and establish clear safety zones. By completing this course, you'll reduce workplace risks, improve operational efficiency, and meet OSHA's forklift safety regulations. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion, proving your expertise in powered industrial truck operations. Forklift safety is not just about compliance, but protecting lives. Click the link in the description to enroll now and complete the Powered Industrial Truck Safety Training course today.